university. Well, because his brother's a police uni.
Yeah.
So
Ben goes in.
Ben goes in. He just got his red belt. It's like past his red belt.
Is that what's the order?
I think it goes white, then red. White's first one, and red's the second. He's past his red.
What? Oh, is that filming?
Alright guys, how we doing? It's your boy, Yo the KW. First things first, I've got a very exciting announcement to share with you guys on the 1st of April, which is this coming Saturday. But today it's Monday, I'm off down to Sheffield today, just for a little bit of training with the boys down there. Today also marks 1 week until I go to Gatineau for the Canada Cup, where I'll be reunited with our Leeds coach Adi, who has relocated to Australia because he's going to be coaching me out there. But as I said today, I'm off down to Sheffield, so cut to the proper video.
The boss, Slothy.
Really explosive and fast, early.
Anyway, Yona thought it'd be a good idea for actually someone who dives in Sheffield to finish up his Sheffield Jack. To finish up his Sheffield trip. And I'm just here with my good old buddy. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's been a nice day. We're talking about it's been a really nice day. Talking about maybe we should do this more often. Shall I have a look? Who's that? Me. It looks like a bit like Georgia though. Oh, that's fun. Yeah, but we've been talking about Yona. You know, they've got a great setup in Leeds. It's an hour's drive away. Why don't they come down to Sheffield more often? Train in this beautiful pool. I mean, we've all had an amazing day.
No one got annoyed. Yeah.
But no one got annoyed. Everyone had an amazing session.
Yeah.
Apparently, Yona's a good omen. So yeah, we should see him down here more often. But we're having a trip up to Leeds on Thursday as well to do some training. So
Aye.
that should be all fun. Woo! Are you doing it? Yeah, Jackie B's buzzing. Hey, Jackie B. Yeah. Yay! Woo! So, yeah.
I'm so excited.